𝗙𝗢𝗥𝗠𝗔𝗧𝗑, the study of diseases, perhaps. All right. So great. Well done. Thank you for being interactive. Moving on. Next category, top analytics educator. And these are the type of people that we need right now, right? More than ever. This category recognizes and celebrates excellence in analytics education. It is for full-time tenure track or adjunct faculty on staff at an accredited post-secondary institution. This individual is teaching an analytics course in the current academic year and has also taught in the prior academic year. And the winner is Matteo Zambon, founder of Tag Manager Italia. And now we know why there are folks joining from Italy. So since the start of his career as a digital analyst, Matteo has been a tireless professional with a vocation for sharing and spreading knowledge on digital analytics. First of all, from his blogs, free tutorials and guides about Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics and advertising campaigns tracking, to hundreds of events where he participated as a speaker, Matteo helped thousands of people to boost their professional skills. Furthermore, every year, Matteo holds personalized educational programs in an Italian university, the Università di Bergamo, about digital analytics. So thanks to Matteo's digital analytics training and educational contents, several professionals were able to start their own businesses as freelancers. Matteo was the first Italian professional to publish guides, tutorials, educational courses, and books about the functioning and the correct use of Google Tag Manager as a fundamental tool for every web marketing professional. His aim was, and continues to be, to make digital analytics accessible and understandable for everyone, not just for technical or high-skilled professionals. A big round of applause for Matteo Zambon.
Thank you. Thank you, Seth. Thank you. This is a big honor for me and for the whole team of Tag Manager Italia. I apologize because now it is late night here in Venice and in Vicenza, so I have to speak at low volume. Well, this has been a truly amazing year for us in Tag Manager Italia. In February, we won the Digital Punch Card Prize at Super Week in Hungary, and now this prize makes me really proud of our team. Our company actually started in 2015 with a free blog where we were sharing guides and articles about Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. Blog posts were typically written in the night because we had a digital agency to run during the day. 7 years after, we are a competence center for digital analytics. We wrote books about it. This is so cool. Roberto is here, is my business partner. Would you like to say something, Roberto?
Yes, please. Thank you, Matteo, and thank you, Seth, and thank you, Kim. Well, yes, it's an honor definitely for me and for our team. In Tag Manager Italia, from day one, we were inspired by a quote that is attributed to Seneca the Younger, which is a philosopher who lived in Rome like 2,000 years ago. And the quote says, "While we teach, we learn." So me, Matteo, and the team, we are looking forward to keep teaching and keep learning, basically, while we teach. So our goal is to help spread the culture of digital analytics, the culture of data, and to help shaping a new generation of digital analytics professionals. So thank you very much, and ciao a tutti.
Excellent. All right, gentlemen. Ciao. Absolutely fantastic. Congratulations. Thanks for staying up late. So now on to the next competition category, top practitioner. These are amazing practitioners on the brand side, who is on analytics, insights, or BI team and leads their company to new places. So our finalists are Bhuvana Iyer, Dan Sadowski, and Chris Simmons. Remember, you, the audience, will need to vote at the end of the presentation.